In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy 3 ingredients chocolate ice cream which is very creamy. First, you need to freeze your attachment of beater and your bowl for at least 10 to 20 minutes in a freezer. Then take 2 cups of cold whipping cream and beat this until it is soft and then until we get stiff peaks. So here we have got stiff peaks, and now we are going to sieve the dry ingredient, which is 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can increase the amount of cocoa powder if you love the taste of this, or generally only 3 tablespoons is added. Sieve this, and now I am using a beater again to mix this. You can also use your hand whisk or spatula. I am just using the beater. You can switch to spatula. Then scrape the sides using a spatula. Mix this nicely. Then here I am adding almost 250 gram of condensed milk. This is a 400 gram can, and I have added almost half of it. I actually added a bit less than 250 gram. You can mix this properly and then taste it. If you feel it is a bit less sweet, then of course you can add more or less according to your taste. Then here this is an of course optional. You can add choco chips. I am using white and dark both. If you have this, you can add this or just skip this. Then give it a slight mix, and for storing this I am using this airtight plastic container. You can use any glass or steel, whatever container you have at your home. Using a spatula you can level up like this, or using a spoon. Now here for covering this ice cream I am using butter paper. You need to cover the top very nicely using a butter paper like this. Now for covering the whole box from the top I am using a foil paper. If you do not have a foil paper, you can use the same butter paper, a bigger one. And then we need to freeze this for at least 8 to 12 hours minimum, or overnight. So post 12 to 13 hours, you can see how nicely the butter paper is coming off, and look at the creamy texture of this chocolatey ice cream. Scoop out some, or you can use any spoon that is in your house. You can by yourself look at the texture of this ice cream. I mean, no one can say that it is a homemade ice cream. I am drizzling some Nutella at the top. You can drizzle chocolate syrup or whatever you have at your home. Or you can just skip this step, because no matter whatever you drizzle, this ice cream is really very delicious. So our homemade 3 ingredients creamy chocolate delicious ice cream is ready. I normally do not like chocolate ice cream, but when I made this, I mean, I did eat this a lot. I'm not lying. You need to try this to know what I'm saying. So just make this and tell me how it turns out. Till then, goodbye.